People don't often say play with your tools in our line of work. Usually, we tie machines to profit. But laser cutter is a different breed. It rewards those with vivid imaginations, and creativity brings profits. So, let's bridge that gap and see what magic a laser cutter can do with felt. First thing first, did you know that laser cut felt was almost everywhere in our life? From this, this, and all the way into this. Bet you never thought of that. But among them all, interior designs became all the rage in 2023. And guess what's making waves? Beautiful and functional felt products. Just check out those posts on social media. They are everywhere. Now, let's talk advantages. And boy, does a laser have them. But what sets laser apart? Unlike CNC, the laser works at a smaller scale, making it the fastest prototyping machine in town. It's like magic. Tweak, cut, and voila, you got your sample ready for presenting. No time wasted, all creativity unleashed. And did you know those felt coasters everyone loved? Yup, they are probably laser cut too. Using a flat-bed CO2 laser cutting machine, our operator was able to cut through a bunch of frame felt coasters in no time. Repetitive and uniform cuts, easy peasy. Since we talked about coasters, want to add some personality to your table? Engrave felt coasters with beautiful designs and turning them into cherished keepsakes. The high contrast and permanent engraving will leave you in awe. And here's the best part. Felt is a breeze for laser cutting and engraving, so no excuses. If you get the chance, give it a shot and let us know how it goes. Like and subscribe to our channel because we are sending more content your way. And hey, tell us in the comments what you want to see next. We are all ears. Cheers to creativity and felt magic.